Good morning, friends. Welcome to another day, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Ridingbreed, and this is Param. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the most important component that you will use as an accessory in your motorcycle when you exclusively do longer rides, off-roads, when you need to navigate, when you need to use music on the go, and whenever you actually ride. Generally we tend to keep the mobile phone in our pocket, or you may be like actually keeping it in a tank bag or your backpack or wherever it is. But most of us use mobile mount in the motorcycle handlebar predominantly. So as you know, the market is very emerging when coming to the motorcycle accessories and parts and things like those. So the most important accessory that anybody would like to go and invest would be on a motorcycle handlebar mount basically. See, when I say motorcycle handlebar mount, it need not be on the handlebar alone. There are like lots of vendors coming up with lots of innovative solutions to mount the mobile phones on your motorcycle, either on the handlebar, either on your dashboard, anywhere else basically, guys. So the market leader for the motorcycle part or the mobile phone mounts or any other mount system is RAM. It's universally known. So for people who don't know about RAM mounts are from United States of America, USA, and they are the pioneers of the motorcycle accessory or any mounts pertaining to your mobiles, your GoPros, your action cams. Lots and lots of mounts RAM is actually making. And just check their product portfolio, man. There are like over 100 mounts and 100 different attachments what they actually have. And today in this video, we are exclusively gonna see two successful product lineup of RAM. That would be RAM X Grip and RAM Quick Grip. So X Grip is something which I was like using, or I have used for over a couple of years, to be honest. I hadn't had any single issue with it, but now I thought I wanted to go ahead and change and try the Quick Grip, which is new in the market, and see how well it is going to fit in my motorcycle. To be honest, I have already done all those research, and that's the reason I have in fact went ahead and bought it, because for me, more than X Grip that I actually mounted on the handlebar, the Quick Grip is something which I can actually mount it on the dashboard. How cool is that? Okay, so I'll go ahead and I'll show you how it should be like mounted, guys. So guys, okay, let's go ahead with the installation. And before we actually go ahead with the installation, I just wanted to show you, I have a handlebar mount already with which I was using my X Grip. Let me quickly show you. So this was my X Grip, and the way you actually mount the X Grip is pretty easy. Just put it over here, hold the ball and tighten it until it gets tightened. So let me show you. See, it's as simple as that. I mean, you can actually adjust based on your need as to how it should be, and moment it is tight, secure, that's it. It doesn't move. Let me quickly show you as to how you need to mount your mobile phone. Just put it like this, take it, and it's done. And it's as sturdy as a rock. So this has the side movement. That is because if your device is rigid, you may end up breaking either your mobile phone or your RAM. But in this case, since you have this particular side movement and this is like rock solid, nothing happens to your mobile. Now guys, the only reason I wanted to upgrade from an X Grip to a Quick Grip is because I don't wanted my phone to get exposed naturally to all the dust when you actually ride a motorcycle, so that the dust comes and accumulates in the back end of your camera, or it gets into your speaker. And trust me guys, my old iPhone, the speaker socket was completely covered with the dust. So Apple charges pretty heavy amount to get it clean. Every time you have to clean it, you have to pay close to $500 just to clean. So what I thought, I've invested in SW Motec, the dashboard mount for a Tiger exclusively, and then I thought, okay, why not I mount my mobile phone instead of over here in the cockpit? So that is the plan. So if you see, I'll just go ahead and remove it, and I'll show you how good X Grip mounts. I'll be back with you guys once I remove it and mount it. So what I'm currently showing you guys is mounting the quick grip in my dashboard area so that I can actually go ahead and mount the mobile phone in a secure place, like I said, away from all natural dust and pollution, etc., etc. And also this looks pretty cool because you are mounting it in your dashboard area, which means it looks good and it goes with your cockpit as such. Let me tighten this, guys, and I'll actually show you how to mount and dismount the mobile phone. So as you see, mounting process is pretty similar or is easy. My mobile phone is here. All I need to do, just put it, slide it, leave it, and it's done. Let me do one thing, guys. Let me actually show you guys as to how this looks or how this is fitted. For a Tiger, you see this? I'm not too sure whether you can see because of this reflection, but there is this particular ram ball over here in which the X grip sits pretty decently and it doesn't move. And the X grip ball, the one which I have told you, is this, which sooner or later I'm going to remove because I can use it for my X-Pulse, but my X-Pulse is like currently running with an aftermarket or not the RAM, but a kind of a local product which is Chevik. This is as good as your X grip, which comes with a chargeable port, which I don't use because I don't believe in aftermarket charging points as such, guys, because you never know. This may actually drain your battery or this may actually fuse your electrical circuits unless and until that's a reputed one. So guys, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to give a quick pros and cons of both quick grip and X grip. So many of you would have already guessed it, what I'm going to speak about. So basically, guys, what I wanted to tell you is, see, the thing about X grip, you see, nowadays all mobile phones, okay, comes up with this particular side buttons. You see, your power, your volume, up and down, etc., etc. So what happens generally when you use X grip, if you're not being careful, if you just hold it like this, you see, this is actually touching the power button this side and volume button over here. So what happens if you are not being careful and if your phone is actually programmed to reboot, to go to safe mode or whatever it is, by using this carelessly, you may end up rebooting the phone or switching off the phone, and you wouldn't be even realizing that you have done it, and important calls, everything is gone for a toss. If you're on map, yes, you will get to know that this is like being pressed where your phone is off and you have to stop, spend time, again take it off, reboot, lock it properly, etc., etc. So that is the only disadvantage I see in a X grip. However, there were complaints or issues that was like actually reported in YouTube in other channels saying when you actually jump on a motorcycle or when you do an extensive aggressive off-roading, your phone comes off. No, in my case it doesn't come off. It comes off and it flies. But I haven't had any such experience. I've been to Leh, I've been to a lot of other places using an X grip, this particular one. But to be honest, I haven't faced anything. But RAM is like smart and they give you this particular tether which you can actually mount it like this, and you can mount the phone, and this particular elastic you can actually pull it and hold your mobile phone securely. So you can really do that with this particular thing, which comes with your X grip. So this is like a kind of a very good product if you don't want to spend too much on the quick grip. In the other hand, quick grip operation is like pretty simple. Like I said, all you need to do, just put the phone, pull it out, slide it in, lock it. It gets locked automatically. So if you ask me, which one should I go for, Param? So what I would definitely suggest, currently I would suggest to go with a quick grip. The reason being, quick grip is it's rock solid, and it has adjustments to actually adjust based on your mobile phone size. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, take it, adjust it manually, and you're good to go. If you ask me, should I not go for an X grip, I wouldn't say that. I would still recommend X grip. The reason being, X grip is like pretty easy to mount and easy to unmount. Yeah. Only thing, like I said, you need to watch out is for your buttons on your phone sides, basically on both the sides of your phone. So if you're like being careful with that, It's a very good product from RAM. And like I said, guys, X Grip and Quick Grip, both are the successful products from RAM mount portfolio. And if you choose any one of these, you wouldn't regret. Trust me, this is the place where you need to put your money in. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, signing off, Riding Breed.